Greetings everybody and welcome. Today I will be teaching you how to use Windscribe VPN on an PC. So let's just dive right in. So first of all, you can see I'm on a browser of my choice, which is Microsoft Edge. You can use any. Search for Windscribe. So I'm going to be typing in here Windscribe just like that. And once I do, you can see we are going to be having our VPN here. So head over to the very first link just like that, and once I do, you can see we are on to the section of Windscribe, and this is the landing page. You can see the platform looks really great. Okay, so now what we're going to do is, first of all, we're going to be downloading the VPN itself, and once you download it, you can see click on this download option and it will be downloaded in no time, and you can choose it for Windows, Mac or Linux. So if you are using on Mac, you can choose Mac from here. And yeah, so that's how basically you can get the VPN itself, and you can see all the features it offers. And I hope this helps. See you guys around in the next video.